YouTube fans, thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. I want to explain to you in this little introductory video a little bit about our business. We sell manufactured homes in New Jersey in our land lease communities. The way the process starts is you email us for our extensive informational email, and the email is info@dolanhomes.com. You're welcome to visit any one of our websites, dolanhomes.com, myhomeinedison.com, myhomeincarteret.com, or myhomeinharborcrossings.com. On our website, you'll see all the houses we currently have for sale. After you receive our informational email, you ask for our 15 pre-qualifying questions. We'll go over those together, and then we'll schedule a tour of whatever house you're interested in that you want to see in person. After that, if you want to proceed and purchase a house, you meet with us one-on-one to go over our resident application. Our resident application and our lease are connected and attached to every informational email. We look forward to working with you to build you the home of your dreams and to have the American dream of home ownership here in New Jersey. Thanks for stopping in.